I want to introduce you to Stillpoint Medicine. Definitely the team to see when it comes to all of your beauty needs. And here to tell us about their laser surgery services and more is women's health expert. We have Dr. Tamara Tabor, and definitely women's health expert at that. You do so much for women. But today, though, I want to talk about Fotona. First of all, what is it, and why are you the leading expert in our area for it?
Well, Fotona is a laser company that's out of Europe. They've been around for 40 years. And they came to America about 3 years ago, and I am the only physician in the Sacramento region that has this laser and this technology. It is patented. Fotona has taken both wavelengths of laser and put it in one machine, which was unheard of previously, and it is patented, so there are no other machines like this, and that's why it's the only laser I have, and that's why I'm the expert in this area, because Fotona's done a really good job of training me on how to use their laser to enhance the beauty of my patients. And so you've got two wavelengths, one that can warm the skin and help lay down new collagen and elastin, and the other that also can help with wrinkles or periorbital lines. And so there's no need for fillers, there's no need for Botox, there's things. So you do this. What I'm talking about is a four-dimensional facelift, and you basically are able, with no downtime, to receive the same results as somebody that just spent $25,000 on a facelift.
Wow. Okay, so you're talking really like this is non-invasive, but yet you're getting the same type of results.
Exactly.
And you have a laser that tightens, which we've, you know, if anyone who's ever looked into this type of procedure, you know that tightening is pretty unheard of, especially from a laser, right?
Exactly.
You usually have to go to the knife for something like that.
Exactly.
So what are we looking at right here?
This is the 4D facelift, and that is the lip laze, which is part of the 4D facelift. So rather than getting the fillers, you get a procedure done on a regular basis to be able to give you the same results. And this is a laser procedure that was 3 treatments, and same here, same 3 treatments.
Wow.
And so the 4D facelift stands for 4 dimensions because it is 4 different procedures, one being inside the mouth or intraoral, and that hits the mucosa or the cells from that side of the mouth, and then you hit it again from the outside in 3 more procedures. And the reason I like this 4D facelift so much is because it takes what previously was only exclusive to those who could take a whole month off and be sequestered and have all the wraps and spend $25,000, and take it to the average person, because you can have the 4D facelift. It's done over 3 different visits to my office over about a 4 to 6 week period, and you can do it for a fraction of the cost with no downtime. I've had people come into the office during their lunch period. I've had them do it before going to work, and nobody knows.
Wow.
And that's the best part of it. And basically what your body does is lay down new collagen, new elastin, rebuilds over the next 3 months, and it lasts about 18 months.
My goodness. And you keep saying no downtime.
No downtime.
Yeah, so you're not talking about having to be wrapped and being away for a while. You can go and get this procedure done and go along with your daily life.
Absolutely.
And then by the end of all your treatments, then you have this amazing result.
And it can be done for, depending on how it's worked out, but a few $100s a month payment, or I offer a discount if you're paying up front. So it's a much easier for the average person to do it. Yes,
yeah, absolutely.
So,
and when you're talking about 4D facelift, we're talking about treating which areas of the face? Where do you really focus?
Well, I focus on what's right for my patient and what they are looking for. Some people will say the periorbital lines, which are those lines around, often seen with smokers.
Eyes obviously are very popular, I imagine.
Exactly. It can be also those areas in between the eyes. So I talk with each patient with a consultation on what they're looking to do, and if they need the whole 4D facelift. So the 4D facelift is kind of the big shebang, I guess you'd say. And sometimes people are just looking for one little area. Well, great, that one little area is part of the 4D facelift. Do you need the whole thing? Maybe, maybe not, but that's why I do a consultation. And my consultations are usually $129 for about a half hour to 45 minutes. And for your viewers right now, I'm offering that for $75.
Oh, wow.
So that gives them an option to meet with me about what their goals are, and then I'll talk to them about what they probably need.
Okay, so whatever the treatment is, it's very customizable based on their needs.
Absolutely.
Okay, and that special offer one more time for our viewers today.
Oh, I have a couple special offers.
You do?
I do.
That's not all. Okay.
Well, the 4D facelift is my favorite procedure because of the results. But one of the things we do before the 4D facelift to make it better is we do Botox injections to get those muscles to relax. And that way, when you're healing from the laser procedure, you're not aggravating those areas we just worked on. So either if people want that part of the procedure, that is free with the 4D facelift, so free Botox, or what's called free tight sculpting of the neck. And so the facelift hits the face, but some people want to work on that neck, and we can do all of it together. And that 4D facelift is one procedure, and then the tight sculpting is usually another, but I'm either offering the Botox for free or the tight sculpting of the neck for free, and that's up to an $1,800 value that goes with the 4D facelift. So that's one. And the other was the other offer is the $75 consult with me to talk about what your goals are.
Excellent.
So get a hold of me at stillpointmed.com. Call, the number is 916-721-4760, and I've got my staff standing by to take your name and number for a consult, either over the phone or in person.